Guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some sequin mixes to go with two of the main kits that I'm going to be using this holiday season. They're both by Echo Park. One is called Merry and Bright, and this one is called A Very Merry Christmas. So like I said, I'm going to be putting together a sequin mix, and one of the things I'm going to be doing with it is making sequin bows. So first I'm going to put the sequin mix together, and then we'll do the bow part. So I'll probably put you on fast forward as I mix this up and choose the different sequins that I think will look good, and I'll come back when we're all done. Okay, so I have both of my sequin mixes. I have this one with the pink in it and this one that is predominantly blues and greens. So I love how they both turned out. So I got this idea. I will link her channel down below. I do not remember what her name is. I'm sorry, but I will link it down below. This isn't my idea. But I'm gonna make these sequin bows. And what she did is she took a 5x3 piece of tulle. So I have this white tulle that's already cut. It's like a half roll, so it's 3 inches already. And she doubled it. So I'm gonna do 3x5 and then 3x5 again. So I'm just gonna lay this out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to just double it over. And I know it's hard to see because I'm working with white. Okay, that might be a little bit better to see. Okay, so I've got this 5-inch piece of tulle here, 3 inches wide. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my pink sequin mix, and I'm just going to put a scoop on this side and a scoop on this side. And don't put too much in or it is going to all come falling out. I think I might have too much. I'm just gonna try and scoop up a little from each side and put it back. Okay, so the first thing that she did is I'm trying to think if she went up. Yeah, I think she went up. And you're gonna do a 3rd fold, and then you're gonna take this side and you're gonna fold this down in a 3rd fold as well. And all those are gonna stay there. Okay, so you have like a tube here. I'm just gonna let those fall out. And you want to keep your middle open. So I'm just gonna try and scooch those over to the side they belong. Okay, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna fold it towards the middle. And you're gonna take this and fold it towards the middle. So it's gonna look like this so far in the back, okay? They are gonna overlap, so you can see here, they overlap each other in the center. And this is what the front looks like. Well, these have probably way too much sequins in, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna work with the back end, and I'm gonna work with a needle and thread. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come up, you're gonna go down from the top. So I'm going down with my needle. And I'm just going to catch it like that, and then just pull it tight. Oops. And I'm going to do that one more time. All right, then I'm gonna do kind of a running stitch here. So just like this until you get to the top. You're gonna pull it through. And at this point, you're just going to take your string, you're gonna pull it tight so it looks like that. And you're just going to wrap the middle. You're gonna wrap it nice and tight. You're gonna make sure you're getting all of those pieces of tulle in there. So just wrap it around several times. And then what you're gonna do is just take your needle, you're gonna push it up from the bottom. So now you're on the top with it. And you can do this any way that works for you. This is just how I'm finishing it off. So then I'm going to loop it through there. I'm going to do a little bit, I'm going to do a second knot on here. And this is all going to be covered up, so don't worry about what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to snip that off. And this is what we have so far. Okay, looks like that. You can clean up the back. Anything that's sticking out, I'm just going to trim off. Make sure you don't get too close, otherwise it will probably open back up. There we go. And some are going to go to the back, some are going to stay in the front, and then we're going to cover up this middle part. So I'm going to do it with, I think, I don't know if I should do red or gold thread or ribbon. So I have ribbon here. I have this ribbon. This one isn't very thick, but it does finish it off nice. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, otherwise, this is the red. It's just a little bit thicker. And that looks really nice too, actually. And this is for this one. So I think the red actually goes better. So I think I'm gonna do the red. So all you're gonna do is just snip off a little tiny piece of ribbon. You're gonna make sure to put it on the top like that. This is the back right here. I'm just gonna put a dot of hot glue there. Gonna bring that up there. And then I'll bring this side up here and hot glue it, but I want to trim it off. It's a little bit too long. Little dot there. And I've got a little piece here sticking out I want to trim off. There we go. I love that look. How cute that looks. That is super, super cute. Okay, so that is the one for the Merry and Bright collection. And I will make one for the Very Merry Christmas collection. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to count out 5 inches. We're going to fold it in half. Going to trim. And we're going to take our scoop. We're going to do 5 on this side. Or 5. We're going to do a scoop on that side and a scoop on this side. Okay. Fold the bottom up a third. We're going to fold the top down as well. I'm going to try and keep my finger in the middle there. Fold the middle piece. We're going to fold one side into the middle. And we're going to fold that side into the middle. And again, it's going to look like this in the back. They're all overlapping to keep everything in there nice and snug. That is what the front looks like for right now. Okay. Come up through the bottom. I actually should have came up through the top, but that's okay. I'm going to do a running stitch right up the middle. Okay, I'm going to pull it nice and tight. And we're going to wrap. Okay, then with my needle, if I can get it, I'm going to come up from the bottom. Okay, and then I'm just going to finish it off with a knot here on top. Okay, we'll cut that off. We're going to cut off any extras hanging out. So that would be this piece here, this piece here. I'm going to cut off this little bit here. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. It's a little uneven with the sequins. I'm trying to get some of these to maybe go to the back to even it out. There, that looks a little more even in the front. Okay, so let's do maybe the gold ribbon on this one. Just need just a tiny little piece. So this is the front, so we're going to lay it. Make sure I get all of these trimmed up, otherwise they're going to stick out through the ribbon, and I don't want that. Okay, so I've got that there. Okay. Trim that off. Finish it off like that. Okay, so a few little pieces I just want to clean up. Okay, so this is what the blue and green one looks like, and there it is with the collection. I love, love, love how these turned out. I have some red and gold tulle here as well that I'm going to make another one with each color and see which one I like best. But I think these are some embellishments that I'm going to make maybe a handful up ahead of time, and I'll have them on hand to use with the collection and to give away. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.